Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to put your Audi S4 in service mode. This essential process ensures safety and prevents accidental damage while performing maintenance or repairs. It's a critical step before working on components like the brakes or suspension. Understanding this procedure will help you protect your vehicle and yourself during any service tasks. To begin, turn your Audi S4's ignition on, but do not start the engine. Next, use the MMI controller to navigate to the main menu. From there, select Car to access your vehicle's specific settings. Within the car settings, you'll find an option labeled Service and Checks. This is where we'll initiate the service mode process. Once you're in the Service and Checks menu, look for an option such as Service Position or Maintenance Mode. Select this option and then confirm your choice. You might notice the vehicle's suspension adjusting, often raising to a higher position, which provides better access for maintenance. This confirms that service mode is now active and ready for your work. To exit service mode, simply reverse the steps you took in the MMI system. Make sure all your maintenance tasks are completely finished before disengaging the mode. Your Audi S4 will then return to its normal operating settings. And hey, speaking of upgrades, why not upgrade your home cleaning? Check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.